the narrative that they had to pump all this money into the system in order to have a trickle down effect and stimulate the economy. I don't really buy that, to be honest. Whatever evidence you see of that is based on models. What it does do is it makes the wealthy very much wealthier because it's pushing up the value of financial assets, which helps the wealthy. And it has a knock on effect that it's devaluing all of our pounds. So that's why you're seeing things like gold explode because the value of the pound is collapsing and so on and so forth. And the scale of that printing, you can see on this chart. The Bank of England had this chart. They stopped updating it at 2019. So I helpfully for them extended it to 2025. And you can see that spike in 2020. The amount of money we printed was 35% of GDP, which is higher than ever in British history, going back to 1697. That is the scale of the money that was printed then. And as I said, the inflation, if you want to call it inflation from that process, was the boost in bond prices, which then trickles over into the boost of equity prices and it trickles in to the loss of purchasing power of the pound.